Exploring Creation with Advanced Biology, 2nd edition, by Marilyn Shannon and Rachel Eunice. Read by Marissa Leinart.
The Human Body, Fearfully and Wonderfully Made, 2nd edition, Advanced Biology and Creation, published by Apologia Educational Ministries, Incorporated. Narrated by Marissa Leinart. Module 1, Introduction to Anatomy and Physiology. Heart of the matter. Each of your cells is its own incredible world, containing basic knowledge of how to survive. Instead of living for itself, however, each cell cooperates with other cells to form and sustain the anatomy and physiology of your body. You are probably not even aware of your cell's individual presences. As you read through this chapter, take a few moments to contemplate how complex your body is and how no part functions entirely on its own. The human body is a complex organism that functions at many different levels. This module provides a broad perspective on what the rest of this text will cover in detail. It is important that you achieve a complete understanding of each module before you move on to the next. Anatomy is the study of the structure of the body and its parts, while physiology is the study of how those parts function and work together to make the human body the wonder that it is. There are many different ways that anatomy can be studied. Developmental anatomy is the study of the changes that begin in the human body at conception and proceed into adulthood. Embryology is the subdivision of developmental anatomy that covers the first 8 weeks following conception. This time period is filled with amazing moment-to-moment changes. Surface anatomy is used for diagnosis. When a physician feels your skin to determine whether your glands are swollen or if there are any suspicious lumps or bumps on your body, the physician is using surface anatomy. Regional anatomy means analysis of specific parts of the body. Have you ever been to a podiatrist, foot doctor? Podiatrists treat diseases of the feet, including warts, infected toenails, and aches and pains of the many joints within the feet. Podiatry is a good example of an application of regional anatomy. The podiatrist needs to know the precise location of blood vessels, nerves, muscles, tendons, ligaments, and bones. How else could the podiatrist, for example, safely inject an anti-inflammatory medication into a patient's painful foot? In this course, the majority of study will focus on gross anatomy. Gross in this context means large, so you will be studying systems that you can see. The term macroscopic anatomy is also used to mean gross anatomy. To understand how an organism functions, however, you sometimes have to see it up close. Microscopic anatomy is the study of structures so small.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?